here. Here it is. Up, down, up, down, right, left, right, left. I love autumn. I love autumn colors. They are so sweet, so sweet. Everywhere it's autumn. It's autumn, lovely autumn. I love the green tree, the colorful trees, the colorful grass, and look around. It gives me soothing relief. When I walk, I really wish to have a long walk in autumn season along with, look here. It's such a beautiful, look around. It's not autumn, it's almost dry. Okay, let's see, let's go. मेहान और आगे चलते हैं. और ये देखिए कितना खूबसूरत. ये मेरी नीस का घर है, अंबर का. मैं ओहायो आई हूँ. आपको ओहायो की सैर करा रही हूँ. Cincinnati. I'm here in Cincinnati. I love the weather. I love the trees. I love everything here. And look at this house. It's so beautiful. Here is the bear tree.